Everyone wants to do SEO because we can get a easy traffic and completely free. Imagine if we run a ad campaign, we need to spend for every click. Every visitor you need to pay. But in SEO we don't need to pay anything. That's why SEO is very important. If you are running a one-page website, SEO is very important. In this video, I will share you some important points you need to follow in the time of creating your one-page website. First one, you should begin with keywords. Every website have a keywords, okay? We are creating our website targeting a particular niche and our audiences are behind that particular keyword. So start with the main keyword and make sure that keyword is visible on your web page. Not a single time, you use that keyword multiple times, 4 or 5 times in a 500 or 1000 words web page. Keywords are a trigger point in the search engines. The second one, links. There's two types of links, incoming links and outgoing links. Another word, incoming links and the external links. Incoming links are placed in other places, not in your website. For example, just you ask your friends to include your website address on their website. This is called incoming links. Also, this is called the external link building. And the another one link type, you just give the reference sites in your website. These two types of links are balancing your website, and this is very useful for the search engine optimization. The third one, Google Analytics. By using Google Analytics, we can track the visitors and where our visitors are coming from and what the activities are doing in our website and how many times they are visited our web page and how much time they are spending in our website. These type of informations we can collect through the Google Analytics. We can monitor the website performance through the Google Analytics. The fourth one, speed up your website. The website speed is very important in the search engine optimization. Search engines like to list the websites, which websites are fast. Those websites are ranked in good places in the search engine rankings. So concentrate on the website speed. There is multiple ways to speed up your website. For some managed web hosts, give you this feature inbuilt because they are compress the CSS and JavaScript, some unnecessary files, and lot of speed up techniques they are using in the managed websites. Managed web host give you this feature in your website. The fifth one, I suggest you to use SEMrush. SEMrush is a paid tool. It's actually similar like a Google Keywords Planner, but it's a different way. We are using Google Keyword Planner for AdWords purpose only. If you are an advertiser, Google Keyword Planner is a very suitable tool because you can track the keyword, how much search capacity per month and the related keywords. Actually Google Keyword tool created for this purpose only. But SEMrush is completely different. because we can get a overall content plan. You can analyze your data versus competitors. You can compare your niche with your competitors. For example, if you are selling a fishing tools, you can analyze what are your competitors are targeting keywords on their websites, what organic keywords they are getting the traffic from search engines. So this type of informations are valuable. We can plan our content based on our competitors' data. In Google Keyword Planners, we can't get this, but in SEMrush we can do that. We can find the trends and backlink opportunities through the SEMrush also. These 5 techniques if you follow in your one-page website, you can surely get organic visitors within a few months. Actually, search engine optimization is not a 1 or 2 days work. Maybe the on-page is enough to do a 1 or 2 days, but it takes some time for backlinkings and some other updations we need to do it continuously in our website. Then only we can get the organic visitors from search engines. I hope this video is helpful to you. See you on next video. Thank you very much.